Dang.
Yeah, let's check it.
Yeah.
Through the forest we go then. We want to see this crazy waterfall. They're like in winter hours right now, so we were able to get a good price, like $15 a ticket, so it's not bad. But you guys hear that smooth music playing? Man, this is narrow.
This is nice.
This is nice as heck. It's real rock too. Is this a real tree? That's like a face, a nose. I just might be seeing things, but this is like a nose.
No, right here.
An eye to me.
No, this is a nose, bro.
Yeah, and then the eyeball
right there. Yeah, you ain't.
I mean, it looks like that to me.
I see the same thing. Oh, brother.
Man, yeah, I wish I could go inside there without getting in trouble. They'd probably kick me out. I wouldn't be able to see the rest of what I came to see. It's not as windy through here.
Bro, this seemed like I'm in a Chinese restaurant.
Like, we just crossed into the Georgia border when we got here. I don't know how you cross a border on a mountain, but we did that. This place is called Lover's Leap, you guys. It's actually a tourist attraction. It's not abandoned or anything. So if you guys ever are in, it's on the borderline of Georgia and Tennessee, Chattanooga, come check it out.
Oh my God, bro.
Look how narrow that is.
Let them come through.
Let's get it. Walking through. We're falling to the rocks. This is too tight to be walking through, bro. I'm getting splashed in the face with water. Okay. That was crazy.
That's nice, bro.
There's like one rock chilling right at the top of that could just fall through.
It felt like we was in like a movie.
Yeah,
like
I felt
a temple.
Yeah, I felt like The Rock.
And the walls were in on us.
I hear the waterfall.
Bro, this is relaxing, bro.
This is sweet. I'm happy that we spent $15 for this. We're like, I mean, of course, when you're urban exploring, when you want to make these long trips, I mean, we're on a week-long trip right now. You want to try to cut expenses the best you can.
What's up, buddy? That's a nice dog, man. Welcome to Nome Valley.
What is this? Oh my God.
Look at all the gnomes.
There's
bro.
gnomes everywhere. Look at the little board they have like they just cutting them up.
They promised
You
they
guys
was
see that?
working.
They thought they none. What is it?
The gnome.
The Nome Valley. Like a workshop for these guys.
What? You can call that in Dow 3. Tell you all about it. Can you imagine? In the late 1920s, Garnett and Frida Carter began to develop a large walk-through garden on their private estate. In 1930, Frida marked the original path by winding a stream through the giant rock formations by gathering and preserving over 400 varieties of plant life indigenous to the region. Frida received national acclaim from the Garden Club of America for conservation and horticultural achievement. On May 21st, 1932, the Carters opened Rock City Gardens to the public.
Wow. I guess this is the Carters here with their nice dog. I look like the dog we just petted.
You said the Carters. I think that was the Carters back there.
The dog got passed down.
We just passed the Carters.
This is cool.
Just
I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, the music makes you want to do this little dance here. Woo. Slow rhythm. Oh, it's like shredded metal.
This is beautiful, bro. They got the JBL waterproof.
I gotta let
speakers.
you guys hear the music we're hearing.
Just something about it gets you going.
Suspension bridge leading all the way to the waterfall we've been waiting on. Let's do it. This thing is so bouncy. We made it to the top, you guys.
Man.
Oh my God. I don't even know what we're looking at right now, but this is so sweet.
Oh my God, another.
I swear life is really all about views. This is amazing. See it? There's a face on the mountain. That's crazy. Fairyland Caverns.
Many of the known figures you'll see were specially imported from Germany.
There's like crystal rocks all in these walls. Look at this rock here.
Oh my God.
What the hell? The ceiling. It's like coral reef. What the hell? This is so sweet. Look at all these rocks. Wow. I wonder if this is handmade or if it's...
Oh, it has to be, bro.
It's like really moist inside here. What the heck? Sounds like a basement.
Like mildew.
I don't know where we're at right now. We're walking through some underground cave. It's supposed to be a fairy tale thing, but it's getting kind of creepy down here. Okay. That's kind of weird. What the heck? Like little babies in there sleeping.
What, we just woke
I'm not sure what these little attractions are.
That was the dwarves.
Rip Van Winkle.
Oh, Little Red Riding Hood, bro.
Little Red Riding Hood theme. Inside, we're like inside these hollow caves, and they have all these little themes set inside here. That's so cool.
What's this? Jack and the Beanstalk,
Jack and the
bro.
Beanstalk. That is so dope.
Oh, look at the giant
All
at
the
the
way to
top. The giant. This is dope.
Look at Jack.
Snow White, boy. Oh. Oh my
Sweet.
God, that looks beautiful, bro.
The sunset in the background. We are in Mother Goose Village now. Look at this stuff. There's a whole big castle at the top of the mountain here. Of course it's fake. It's like a little dirt road going all the way up to the Goose Village. What the heck? This is so cool. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Yeah. Little lamb. That's so cool. Like these Peter Pumpkin Eater.
Oh my God.
They have everything.
Little boy blue.
Look at the castle up there. It's all black lighted in here, so everything shines off the camera pretty well. It's pretty sweet.
Oh, 3 little kids lost their mittens, bro.
Look at the cave. Oh, water runs through this. Wow. This is well put together.
This made it.
Look, the cow jumped over the moon.
Hey, little.
Is that what that is?
Right here.
Look at the cow jumped over the moon.
I'm jumping over. Look at the moon's face, bro.
This cave has the best attractions in it.
Ferris wheel, dude.
Ferris wheel built inside the wall of the cave.
What's up, man?
We are, I don't know, we're like in, I don't know, we're near like Albany, however you pronounce it, Georgia.
Ashbury? Something like that.
Yeah.
Southern Georgia.
Yeah, we're in Ashburn.
Ashburn. Yeah.
Ashburn, Georgia.
Bro.
Ashburn.
Ashburn.
We are in Ashburn, Georgia. We are on our way. We're probably going to go down towards Florida. We're not sure what part yet. It's early as hell.
Yeah, I still got crust in them.
We had a good sleep.
We had a unfortunate incident.
When traveling like this, you guys, it's all about budget. Like we've made a long drive and we've only spent about $25 a piece in gas, and we had food and everything already. But like when you're getting these hotels, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. It's not about going super cheap. You can get a room for $20, but
it's gonna look like it's for $20.
it's gonna be worth $20. So like, we were trying to save money, of course, last night, and we booked somewhere like at a Budget Inn or something. It was like $40.
I'm like, oh, you can't beat that.
We can't beat that. So we're like, it looks decent. Let's just go try it out. We'll get some sleep and we're gonna hit the road anyway. We're laying on the bed. Roaches, bugs are just crawling by. We freaked out. I mean, it's not like we're just so scared of bugs, but like when you're sleeping, you don't want a bug resting on your eye.
Run it over.
Yeah, you don't want that. So he made the decision that we get up out of there.
Yeah, we had to leave.
And we went and booked a nicer hotel. Still at a good price. It's like $7 more. But
it was bug free.
Bug free. We slept good. We're able to get some editing done.
Yes.
We're about to hit the road now.
It's about time to get out of here, man.
Let's do it, man.
We out.